Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through an easy and effective process to convert documents into English in just 5 simple steps. Whether you have text in another language or whether you enhance your documents clarity, this tutorial is designed to make the process seamless. So before going to 5 simple steps, let me tell you what is the requirement of converting document into English or any other language. This is a form, you need to fill it. How can you fill it without understanding? This form is in Malay language. Malay is the official language in Malaysia. And if you need to fill this form, you have to understand. So first you have to translate this form into English. One way to do this, translate word by word in Google Translator and understand and you fill the form. Another way, translate the whole form into another document, English document, then refer the newly translated form and fill this original form. Obviously, you have to fill this original form, but you can refer the translated document to understand the requirement. So after translate or after convert the document into English, this form will look like this. So by comparing the translated document or converted document side by side, you can easily understand the original document and easily fill the form correctly. Now, let me directly jump to the 5 simple steps. So, step number one, you have to go to this link or site, online document translator. Step number two, you have to upload the document. Step number three, detect language. Step number four, choose your language. Step number five, once converted, you can download the converted document. Uh, I want to translate this document. So this document, you can see that written in Malay language, or you cannot understand, right? So uh, let me translate it into English. As I told you, you have to go to this site. So maybe let me open in another tab. So www.onlinedocumenttranslator.com English version and translation form. So if you go to this link, then it will directly go to this page, right? Now upload your document here. Suppose you want to convert this document into English or any other language, you upload this document. See, the language is detecting automatically. Now, as this document or form is in Malay language, that's why Malay language detected automatically. If not, then maybe you can choose manually. Now, by default, the generated language or desired language is in English. If you want some other language, then you can choose. Let me go with English first. Then later we will see another scenario to translate it into Hindi. The same document we will be translating to Hindi. So then click on translate, getting ready, preparing to download 95%. Once done, then you can click this link, download your translated document. See, this document has been downloaded. So this is the document. Basically, this is the document downloaded, and this document is driving license as a form. I believe you are clear on this. Let me translate it into another language like Hindi. Suppose someone don't understand English and want to translate the document into Hindi so that he can understand easily. So same thing, you can go to this site, right? Let's go to this site. This document if we want to convert into Hindi, upload this document, just drag and drop. As I told you, this language will be detected automatically. Once detected, you have to choose the destination language, the desired language. By default, it is English. Now, this time we want to convert into Hindi. Translate. Download translated. Now this document has been translated to Hindi. सड़क परिवहन विभाग मलेशिया ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस आवेदन पत्र. So you can see everything translated into Hindi so that you can understand what is written here and what information or data you need to fill, right? Very simple. Thank you so much.